maintain the credibility and integrity of the TESDA facilitating e-learning sessions or FELS training, I have intentionally excluded the individual and group task activities from this video. This material has been created solely for demonstration purposes in relation to the FELS training. Good afternoon to everyone. Let's wait for the others to join our virtual conference this afternoon. So, hintayin pa natin yung iba, no? Please let your friends know that we're already in the virtual room so they can actually join us. But let's wait for them for at least 5 minutes. Hi. Again, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Caregiving NC2. So we're now here again at One Healthcare International Academy of Caregivers Incorporated. I'll be your trainer for this learning outcome. I believe the first two learning outcomes have been discussed by our previous trainers. So today we're going to proceed with the discussion and giving of instructions for what are the things that you're going to do for the LO3. So first, before that, we have to check your internet connection. So I'll be providing you this link where you can actually test the speed of your internet. Okay. What's more important is that your internet connection is stable, especially we're doing e-learning sessions. All right. After that, we have to test your microphone. So I believe before you have entered the virtual room, you have already tested the audio of your computers, of your desktop. You have checked your microphones with you. Okay. In here, what's more important is that you have to use earphones with a microphone if your background is a bit noisy. This is to avoid background noise. And lastly, your camera. So, during this session, the camera is very important because I want to check, no, yung inyong interest, no, through me seeing you with your cameras. Okay, so you have to also tell me if you're going to use dual device para naman makikita ko pa rin dito doon sa inyong attendance. You have to sit um, facing a light source. No, pwedeng yung bintana, basta hindi kayo against the light. So, i-prevent ninyo yung bright light behind you. And of course, you have to provide a clean background. So, ngayon naman that you are actually showing your videos with me, I think okay naman tayo dun sa mga cameras ninyo. So I can let me see thumbs up or heart react. No? Okay, thank you for that. Okay, so ultimately, we have our final pre-class checklist. So, kailangan natin to guys na yung mga pina-check natin kanina ay stable kayo para after nitong asynchronous classes kasi I'll be giving instructions that you're going to do na mga activities after nitong conference natin for this hour. So, later on sa mga live conferences natin, importante na itong mga chine-check natin. So, we have to check if our internet is stable. There should be no drops or lags. Hindi kayo dapat nalalaglag doon sa natin virtual room. Your microphone is working and not muted, especially when you're speaking and allowed to speak. No, yung mga speakers or headset ninyo, no, have sound. Tapos yung camera ninyo, dapat may clear video yan. Tapos yung device ninyo, if you're using laptops, no, dapat yan ay plugged in or charged. Kasi baka biglang mamamatay yan, no? Hindi natin alam. So, madadrop din kayo doon sa virtual room natin. And then, the link has been provided already. So, it's the same link that we're going to use sa next session natin. Okay? Let me see some heart reacts. Okay, so yeah, thank you. That's very good. I think everything's clear now for the checking of our internet connection, audio, and video. Since this is a TWSP class, no, you are all scholars here. You are required to um, have your time in and time out with BSRS. I believe familiar kayo doon, guys, no, na-explainin, and you're doing that for your past sessions. Again, your BSRS, no, your biometric enabled scholarship registration system. Yon, yung BSRS ninyo. Okay, if you're having difficulty, like for example, doon sa pag-time in ninyo, nagpaparetry siya, kindly inform me so I can actually override. Pero if hindi talaga, no, please do not forget to log with your manual attendance. So I have provided the link, no, doon sa ating um, site, no, sa Genomio nandoon yung link para doon sa manual attendance. And nandun na rin yung QR code. It's actually posted. But flashed on your screen now, no, your QR code and the link that I have provided. Okay, so check natin yung attendance ninyo, no? So we have Miss uh, Joanne Salazar. Sige, patingin ng thumbs up. Okay, so yun. Next, we have Miss Crisette Akinde. Okay, sige. Thank you for the thumbs up. And we have Miss Sheila Oikuke. Sige. Okay, thank you. I believe everyone's here now. Sige, may I see some heart reacts? Okay, thank you. Course, I would like to remind everyone about our netiquette, no? Yung netiquette naman natin na paulit-ulit na nating dinidiscuss yan during your previous online session. So, again, your netiquette is your etiquette when using the internet. So, alam na natin lahat yan, no? If you want to say something, please raise your hand and then you can unmute. Or if ever na tuloy-tuloy yung discussion, pwede naman kayo mag-chat anyhow, it will notify naman me. Then I can call your attention if turn nyo na. And if someone is speaking, let's wait for your turn, no? Tapos kayo naman nun. This is to provide also a harmonious learning environment, especially we're doing online. But then again, no, caregiving naman is a hybrid learning modality yung ina-apply naman natin dyan. Especially when you're having your return demos, kailangan ninyo pumunta dito sa facility so you can actually perform yung mga tasks na kailangan. But if the task naman requires you na lang to take a video, pwede naman kayong mag-submit niya. No? Later on, I'll be discussing, especially for this LO, no, video ang magiging performance ninyo nung demonstration. Alright, so flashed on your screen are the competencies of a caregiver. So, ito na yung start natin. So, una nating dinidiscuss ngayon yung um, provide care and support to infants and toddlers. So, we're now on LO3. No? Pag natapos ninyo yung limang LO na yan, then we will be having your institutional assessment for that particular unit of competency. Again, ano nga yung ating unit of competency na dinidiscuss ngayon? Miss Joanne? All right, very good. So that's provide care and support to infants and toddlers. Okay, pag medyo mabilis yung discussion natin, please call my attention, use the chat box o kaya mag-unmute kayo and then let me know no kung medyo napapabilis yung discussion natin. Okay, let's proceed now with our discussion no for the tasks that you're going to do for today. Okay, kahit pa ulit-ulit tayo, Miss Sheila, okay, ano nga ulit yung unit of competency na din-discuss natin ngayon? Okay, that's very good. So this is provide care and support to infants and toddlers. So kindly read, Miss Sheila, kung ano yung mga learning outcomes natin for this one. Okay, very good. So, tama. So, yan. Yung limang yan yung dinidiscuss natin ngayon. But our focus for the tasks na ibibigay ngayon sa inyo is, okay, LO3. That's 1.1.3. So, feed infants and toddlers. Okay, very good. Okay. So, flashed on your screen ngayon is yung site natin. So that's actually Genomio. I believe nagamit na ninyo yan for the first two LOs and the tasks, no? No, kahit paulit-ulit na para may retention, may mastery tayo ng unit of competency natin na yan. Because this is the first unit of competency natin sa caregiving and C2. Now we're on LO3, learning outcome 3, feed infants and toddlers. Okay. So, ang task na gagawin ninyo ngayon, ayan, naka-flash sa screen ninyo. Okay. Yung mga yan, ano naman yan eh, makikita ninyo yung pinaka-lecture natin and activities. Okay? Na nandyan naman. And ultimately, yung inyong quiz or post-test, dyan na red flashed for this LO. So, I am now giving you this task, no? I'm requiring you to view, no? Yung book natin, yung pinaka-lecture na uploaded sa Genomio account natin. So you just have to go on Genomio tapos i-view ninyo yung book natin because nandyan yung mga discussions natin. And later, after this session, no, I'll be posting the forum already, no? Flashed on your screen also. Yan yung forum natin where you can actually make debates, no, discussions, no, yung balitaktakan natin, diyan ninyo ipopost yan. So I'll be adding a topic and then you can actually reply, no? Clear tayo doon? Walang question? Okay? There you can actually post another discussion, no? And then we are going to reply. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, balitaktakan yan. Yung sa part na yan. And then, next would be your assignment. No? Nandyan yung assigned task na gagawin ninyo. The task sheet is also there. As I've mentioned, kailangan ninyong gumawa ng video na i-upload ninyo dyan. Okay. Later, I'll be sa Genomio, pwede naman din kayo mag-upload. Pero if ever mahihirapan kayo, we can unanimously decide if Google Drive yung gagamitin natin. But if not, no, if kaya ng iba na mag-upload sa Genomio, no, pwede naman din. Pero yung iba na hindi kaya, I'll be providing you my email address. And lastly, you are required, no, by the way, kailangan makapag-submit kayo dun sa task sheet ninyo, no? The passing score for your task sheet, of course, would be 100. So, para bang ano yan, competent not yet competent ng ano, labanan dyan. And, of course, your quiz, no? You have answered the pre-test bago yung session ngayon, pero you will still have your post-test. I'm giving you 3 attempts, no? Pagka hindi, it will automatically be locked, no? Yung 3 attempts ninyo. Then call my attention. Titignan natin if ano yung mga bagay na pwede pa nating i-improve sa inyo. Okay? So, hindi naman kayo ma-fail kasi i-discuss pa rin natin yan, tuturuan pa rin natin kayo. But maybe kailangan ninyong magkaroon ng special classes, special sessions with me para malaman ninyo kung malaman natin, ma-enhance pa natin yung karunungan ninyo in terms of this LO number 3. The passing grade would be 80%. Okay? So, yan. Automatically maglalak yun pagka babalik yun doon sa main menu pag hindi ninyo nakuha yung 80% natin. Okay? And of course, if makapag-progress kayo with your LO, we are going to post that on your achievement and progress chart. As promised, no, ito yung task sheet na uploaded dun sa assignment ninyo. If ever, ito, pina-flash ko ngayon sa screen ninyo yung submission ninyo. So we have through Genomio, through Google Drive, and through direct email sa akin. So wala kayong magiging dahilan, no, para sabihin na hindi kayo makakapag-submit nung ano ninyo assignment. Okay? I believe that's clear for everyone. May tanong po ba kayo? O yan ha, wala akong nakitang tanong. So, I'm flashing now, no? Kung wala kayong tanong, proceed na tayo. I'm flashing now yung mga contact details so you can actually message me through Viber, Telegram, or WhatsApp, no? Kung meron kayong tanong regarding your assignment or the tasks na ipinapagawa sa inyo. You can actually send me a direct email also or via my FB Messenger. That's at Kevin Manansala PH. Ayan, nandiyan na rin yung QR code. That's actually direct directed towards my Facebook account. So, pwede nyo ano yan, i-send new message ninyo. Call my attention if mapunta kayo sa message request so I can open can have direct messaging na. Okay? So, thank you for your attention. Thank you very much, everyone. If wala kayong tanong as of the moment, maybe nahihiya lang kayo, after the session, you can actually PM me. Pero if wala naman, kindly accomplish the tasks that were given to you, no? Tapos, I'll be sending yung, ano natin, yung sa forum natin after ng session na to. Okay? So, good luck and have a great day, everyone. You may now leave the virtual room. Thank you. Hi, good day to everyone. I am tasked to accomplish monitoring e-learning accomplishments of our students. So to show you, let me share my screen. So this is our development site, Genomio. This is what we're using for the training for FELS. So, mag-login muna po tayo and then you enter the password. Ulitin natin. So, this is our site. So I'm tasked to show you no on how we provide feedback to our students and to input manual grading using the gradebook. And then eventually we need to generate different types of reports, particularly course completion report, activity completion report, and our logs report. This is easy lang po, no? So we have the counterpart of this Google Classroom. Pero let's use Genomio for the purpose of health training. So, I'm going to go dun sa part ko po, which is UC1LO3. So, in here, what's going to be graded is the task sheet. So, punta po tayo dito sa part na to. Okay. So, there. So, nakalagay, nakadescribe yung task sheet po, pero nandito sa part na to, yung kung paano mo siya i-grade. So, all in all, we have 16 participants. So far, dahil co-trainees ko po yung mga nag-attend, hindi rin naman nila nasagutan to. But eventually, the statistics would differ, no? Pagka yan ay sa totoong sa totoong class. So, we grade here. Okay. So, for example, the student has successfully uploaded yung kanyang accomplishment. Lilitaw to. And then, from here, pwede kang mag-grade. For example, this is the task sheet. So, as mentioned dun previously sa video natin, 100 lang naman yung kapag nag-submit. So, we're going to put 100. No? Siguro pwede nating i-zero yan pagka sa iba na. Tapos, maglalagay ka lang ng feedback mo dun sa kanyang task. And then, pwede kang, we have two options here. So, save changes, pag siya lang yung i-grade natin. Pero pwede tayong save and show next kapag ka meron pong susunod na i-check pa tayo. Pero for this one, let's put lang muna or enter lang natin yung save changes. So, ayan. So for that student, ito si Alely Rose, yan yun yung natin, nakalagay, ay bumalik. Balik natin, ayan. So yung task niya, yan, graded na. Okay, so makikita naman natin yung summary niyan, all in all, dito sa part na to. Medyo naka-blue lang din siya, no? Pero view all submissions ang nasa screen na yan. So yun, kinlik natin. So here, makikita natin iba't ibang estudyante natin. If we want quick grading, yan, pwede nating i-enter lang yung grade ng mga to. Some instructors, facilitators, or trainers, no, binabasa nila ahead of time. Tapos, pwede na nilang i-grade ng, ano dyan, ng mabilis. Tapos yung feedback din dito, mabilis. Okay? Yan. So, pwede naman nating i-navigate. No? Actually, madali lang po siya, no? Kung ano talaga natin, kung titingnan natin. No? Ayan, yung mga ano natin, mga iba't ibang tabs. Okay? So, that's actually on how we are going to monitor the e-accomplishments of our students. Thank you.